Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix HPG4 docking station USB not working, ports, drivers and power fix. Fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Disconnect the dock from the laptop and power outlet. Then unplug the power cord from the dock and wait for at least 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug the power cord back into the dock first, then wait for a solid white light. Once you see the solid white light, connect the dock to your laptop. Fix 2. Check cables and ports. Ensure the USB-C/Thunderbolt cable is securely seated in the laptop. Check the USB-C ports on both the dock and the computer for dust or debris, and clean gently using compressed air. Try plugging the cable into a different USB-C port on your laptop. Fix 3. Update drivers and firmware. Go to the HP Support Center and download the latest drivers and firmware for your G4 dock. Then run a scan using the HP Support Assistant to automatically update USB enumeration software and check for optional driver updates in Windows Update. Fix 4. Check Device Manager. Right-click the Start menu and from the option select Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. And if you see a warning symbol, right-click the device and select Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.